Hi everyone, I am Prabhat Tiwari. Today we are going to see about what is version control system and how the flow of its integration and development of the whole part works together. And overall we are going to include we are going to see which version control we are going to use. Like we are going to use Bitbucket we are going to use, and moreover we are also going to integrate our one small Spring Boot application which we are going to deploy in our Git repository. So let's get started. So first of all we are going to see what is version control. Version control, okay. Version control is in with the help of that we can integrate our software, like we can closely monitor our each and every steps of our coding and what we are creating, what we are deploying, what we are like all of the close monitoring of the system can be done with the help of that. So like if you want to, like in our local we can just in local also we can integrate our system, which is you also be known about, like uh, familiar with Git. So with the help of Git you can deploy your work projects in a basic like local system. And if you want to like deploy in cloud, so you have to use servers which is also called as GitHub and GitLab, and today's we are going to use also Bitbucket. Okay, so this is that we are going to use Bitbucket. With the help of that Bitbucket we are going to integrate. So what was the like main purpose? For example, if you are going to develop a software, if you are working on local machine, so Git will be enough. Okay, like if you have 5 developers which want to work on same project, and with the help of like local machine you cannot just deploy it one's local machine. So you have to use cloud services like cloud repositories, which is also we are going to use. So just because of there are five, uh, not like more than 5 people are working on same project. So how they are going to integrate that system in our like coordination and correlation between the employees is going to be happen now. Uh, if we want to deploy a system and there is no coordination, so there will be misleading, and there won't be any proper idea what the system is and what all the things are going to be developed and what are the things that is required. So this won't be exist. Okay, so because of that we are going to use the cloud repository Bitbucket. 5 developer is going to uh, 5 developer will be working in same project to make sync between them. We will be using repository. Okay, so we further we are also going to uh, see how the things are going to be worked like in our Bitbucket. So first of all, just have a look in how the Bitbucket looks like. So I had already created an account. So when you are first in Bitbucket, so you have to create an account, and with the help of that, see this my account. And once you have login, so it consists of a project. First of all, you have to create a project. In project, like we will create a project. Like first, you for example, you have created a project which is named as demo. No, we won't be putting here as demo. We will create as my project. Okay, my project. And key is already mentioned, like if your this whole system will be already like will be developed by your seniors, so they will be providing you. And the system which are going to be like, this is our project, and project like clients details will be there. So you cannot make it up this project as a private, sorry, you can't make it as public. So like consequences can be there. So if you are new, always try to be keep your project as private. So instead of just your project can be within your company itself, and outsiders can't access your project. Okay, so we have created our project, so it will take time. Okay, we have created our project, and we are going to use like what we are going to do is we will create a repository. And what we will do here is name will be demo. Okay, so we have created this repository. So first of all, like you have to create it with the help of repository. And here you can see it's a main branch. So like once the code is like, you have created your code in your application. Once you push it in push, it will directly created in main branch. So like you can also be can like integrate, like you can create branches which can be like integration branches and feature branches. So let me make it you clear. Like feature branches are the one branches which like basic new programmer is going to uh, uh, like push his like code in there. So feature branch is for developers, and integration branch is the like combine or like there are five feature branches. Okay, like there are sub branches of that. And integration branch is like combination of all the branches. Like if you, for example, you have b1 b1 branch, and b1 b2 b3 b4, like you have all four branches. And integration branch is like combination of that all branches. Okay, and about that integration branch, you will be getting main branch. So main branch is the main branch which is going to be like deployed in the production level. Okay, so yes, what we have created this in our Bitbucket account. We have created project, we have created our repository. So once we have created, we already want a project. Okay, so just to go and we will search uh, spring.io. Okay, so you can see here wait, let's start.spring.io. We will type start.spring.io. With the help of that, like you will be getting an like small project which you will like going to be developed. So we are going to use like Java as language. You can, as per your requirements, you can also use Maven, like Kotlin. And we are going to use the Maven as our like our dependencies. So Maven is maybe you will have aware of that, or maybe will with the help of maybe you can uh, integrate and you can like use uh, dependencies which you will be using in your application. And we are going to use 3.3.3 version of the Spring Boot application. Okay, so name will be demo. We have created a jar file of 21, like this is the version of the Java. Okay, so we are going to just create a file here, and that will be getting we will be putting this uh, in our desktop. So okay, save. Once you have downloaded the zip file, we will open it, and what we will do here, we will extract. Okay, so this file is extracted, and now what we will do is we will just go file, import project, existing Maven project, like already it has been there. So you will be browsing here, desktop, demo1, demo, select folder, form is already selected. Okay, all the things are done, finish. Okay, we got here our first project which we are going to like deploy in our system. So what we will do, like just run as maven maven build. What we will do, oh, clean project. Okay, first we have to do clean. Mm, clean, we will do Spring Boot, Spring Boot colon run. So it is like creating all the dependencies which we wanted to, like first of all, oh sorry, we have to like first create a package, like package clean package. So that has not done. So maybe we won't be doing this, like we will be like overall like deploying this in our system. So this is the project, like this was, and with the help of deploying it in your Bitbucket account, you have to be creating a sync folder which will be like we are going to create here in our new folder. We are going to use it as just for temporary. We will create like local sync. We are going to create it here, and demo one, this which was our project. And what we are going to do is just copy all the things which are here and just copy it over here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is here what we are going to do is clone from like a Sourcetree is an software which is going to be developed with the help of that Sourcetree. We will be uh, this is an GUI. With the help of that we will be using it to deploy like we are going to use git command with the help of this Sourcetree. So just a minute, it is going to start. Hmm. Um, where is my local sync? Okay, clone. It is not empty folder. I had created. Yes, I had created it. It is not a local empty folder. Okay, local sync already exists and is not an. Okay, okay, okay. So it is telling it's not local. Okay, first of all, okay, okay, I'm sorry. So this has to be okay. Sorry. Hmm. One in Sourcetree. Hmm. We will browse here. Desktop local sim now. Okay, now it is empty. I had already like what was the problem you have gonna see? Like I had already copied all the things that has to be copied here. So just because of that, it was showing error like this folder is not empty. So we are going to use this local folder. Okay, so clone. Okay, so now it will be like creating for that you have to be cloning this part you have to use git. So you must have been installed like git in your local computer. So just a second, now we will be copying that we have did earlier. So first of all, look at this folder. You can see some of the properties of the GTS here. Okay, with the help of that, it is going to be stored in your Bitbucket account. So demo, what we are going to do is copy and paste it over here. Okay, replace the file and destination. So we have paste it over here, and here you can see this is the interface of the source tree. With the help of that we are going to uh, push or we are going to like send our whatever our applications of codes is there. So we are going to commit and we are going to pull push. the request that are going to be. So here you can see only main branch is there, just because I had not created like integration and feature branch of that. You can just create and you can use it here. So this stage means whatever the changes you have made here can be like once you have staged all, you that will be ready to be commit in your Bitbucket account. So what we are going to do is stage all. With the help of that stage all means like all the changes that you have made in your local folder, it's going to be reflected in your Bitbucket account. So what here I had did here, like changes it, you can once you had staged the all the changes you have made in your local folder, just make sure you do the commit of the proper what you have changed in your local folder. So as this our ma- uh, as this was our like demo application, so just we are going to say like created an demo app. Okay, so we will be committing here. First of all, I would like to show you that see here there is nothing here. Okay, so like this is the empty folder. So like you can see what are the changes that we have done. No, not changes, like with the help of that you can be uh, can close monitor to your system. Okay, so okay, what we'll be going to do is push this in main branch. Okay, so as you know we don't have any of the branches, like it is going to directly merge in your main branch. So what we are going to do is push it here. Just refresh it, you will be seeing all the changes that you have done here is reflected over here. And like what you can also do is just, this is the project, we are going to delete it because we don't need this in our system, because all the we have created it or we have sent it on a Bitbucket account. So what we are going to do is just here, file, import project, import general, Maven existing project, browse, desktop, local sync file, local sync, select folder, and I forgot to mention, just you can see all the changes that we are going to be doing here is going to be reflected over there. So as you can see, like here is the small system which is sync local main. And, this was not in our previous project, so any of the changes that you do here is going to be uh, reflect over here. So this was the basic like integrating our sync folder and how we can use the system Bitbucket in your local to sync, and with the help of Bitbucket, as you can see over here. So this was all about today's session. Thank you.